In this lesson, we're going to switch you over to a Pinterest business account, and I'm going to show you how you can view your analytics on Pinterest. In order to tell if your marketing efforts are paying off, you're going to need access to analytics. And you'll only have access to Pinterest analytics if you have a Pinterest business account. To be able to tell if you have just a regular account or a business account, check and see if you have analytics and ads as an option for your business. If you don't see these options, you probably have a regular account. If you have been using your Pinterest account under your own name for personal use, and you're wondering whether or not you should just switch that over to a Pinterest account, keep in mind that you're going to want to keep your business account strictly business. If you have a ton of pins and posts on your personal account already that you enjoy, I recommend going ahead and setting up a new account. If, however, you already created an account for your business and you just want to make sure that you have full access to all the business features, let's go ahead and switch your account over now. Whether you have an account or not, the first place you're going to want to go to is business.pinterest.com. And then you're going to go ahead and click on Join as a Business. If you're creating a new account, go ahead and add in your information here. If you have an account already, click Login. Now that you have a business account, you have access to analytics. I can take a look at how successful my marketing efforts are by going here and clicking on Overview. Here you can see how successful your Pinterest profile is, how many people are seeing it, how many people reach with all of your pins, and once you have your website confirmed, you'll be able to see the activity going to your website. These are all people who see pins that are linking directly to my website. I love that they can show your most successful pins over the last 30 days. So you can see what silly holiday is it today. I can see the number of impressions, the number of people who have saved it to their accounts, and how many people who have clicked on it over the last 30 days. Now, keep in mind that I actually have several pins going to that URL on my website, and so this is just the ones from that specific pin. If you see right here, we have an R that indicates it's a rich pin. I'll cover what a rich pin is and why you need to get your website set up with a rich pin as soon as possible. If you click on Analytics but you don't see this panel of activity on your website and instead you see a window that looks like this, it means you haven't confirmed your website yet. This will be essential for making sure you're marketing your business successfully on Pinterest, and I'll show you how you can go ahead and confirm your website. Chances are that your numbers are a little bit wonky right now, and you might not have full access. But before you complete this section, I'd like you to go ahead and go in and take a screenshot of your analytics, so that you'll have a great before and after to see how much of a difference Pinterest has made in your marketing strategy. In the next lesson, we're going to confirm your website with Pinterest so that you can take the first steps to getting Pinterest rich pins.